The story of Santa Devi, the grandmother who chased her dreams. In a quiet village of Himachal Pradesh lived an 82-year-old woman named Santa Devi. She wore a simple cotton sari, her hair completely grey and her hands showed the lines of a lifetime of hard work. But behind her wrinkled face was a fire that never faded. Santa Devi had spent her whole life caring for her family. She had never gone to school because in her time girls were not encouraged to study. She worked in the fields, cooked meals for her family, raised her children, and later helped raise her grandchildren. Life was not easy, but she never complained. One day, as she was sitting outside her house, she saw her granddaughter reading a book in English. Santa smiled and said, "I wish I could read like you." The granddaughter laughed lovingly and said, "Daddy, it's never too late." That sentence changed everything. The next morning, Santa Devi picked up her old notebook, sharpened a pencil, and asked her granddaughter to teach her the alphabet. People in the village laughed at first. What will this old lady do by learning ABC? What she didn't care. Every day after her chores, she would sit down with a childlike enthusiasm and learn to write, read, and even speak simple English. Within 6 months, she could read small storybooks, write her name, and even sing English nursery rhymes with her great grandchildren. Her story went viral after. A local teacher made a short video about her. She was invited to schools honored by the village council, and praised on TV. In one interview, she smiled and said, "I may be old, but my dreams are still young. Learning has no age limit." Moral of the story: it's never too late to learn something new. Age is just a number when your heart is young and your will is strong. Thank you for listening this story.